Hey, what's up? It's your girl Vicky Lamb bringing you another random thought. I miss R&B music. Where the hell is that at? I've been watching VH1 Soul all day and listening to old school music, and it's a shame that I gotta go all the way back just to hear some good music. I mean, come on. All y'all trying to be rappers now. Some of y'all can't rap. Y'all need to leave that rhyming to Dr. Seuss, okay? Because you can't do it. See if you can sing. Try to hit a couple notes. Maybe you can sing or something. Maybe that's your talent. Because rapping ain't it. Alright? Now, who we got? We got Chris Brown and Trey Songz. Ain't nobody trying to listen to them little ass boys get me in the mood. It ain't working. Alright? They look like bitches. Second, let me see. R. Kelly's still making music. But every time I listen to R. Kelly now, I just think about somebody pissing on me. And if you playing R. Kelly trying to get me in the mood, I just think you want to pee on me. So yeah, I give R. Kelly a bad time. But he pissed on a little girl and he a pedophile. So what? I still like your body's calling me though. Alright, so this has been your girl Vicky Lynn bringing you another random thought about how much I miss rap music. R&B music, and maybe some of y'all should try to stop rapping. Alright? Peace.